pigs. Guys, look at pig.
Oh God, look at the pigs.
It's supposed to be really mud still, I think. I think someone else is biting it.
Well, that's...
They get huge.
You can't pick them pigs up. Whoa, that fella's standing right up.
So guys, we're gonna see which one is better. Is it a baby pig?
Come.
Well, this thing is humongous. Or a baby dog.
Boy! I thought he was washing pig, not me. Alright, take over. Allikye! You're not washing the roof, boy! You're cleaning the poop and you're trying to flush it down there, look. Right, yes. Get it up in that corner there, boy. You can pet him. What? Be careful, they could bite, eh? He has big tusks.
So guys, this is where bacon and pork chops come from. My favorite meat, bacon, delicious. They got some
Just
of
pick a
them.
handful and throw it in. Well, don't waste it.
No waste. Two over here, two down way.
Right. Dylan, throw some in.
Should have water. They don't want to have water in it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I see everybody. You know?
These are the little ones, eh?
Yeah.
These are the ones you can pick up?
Yeah.
I'll tell you, I don't think we're going to pick one of these guys up because the mother is very protective, and once they start squealing, we might be in a little bit of trouble. So, what do you think is going to be better, a dog or a pig for a pet?
Dog.
Why?
Because it's okay to get bite by a dog. Not
Okay.
a doggy swarm. A doggy swarm.
Well, touch them.
Just right to my mouth. I definitely prefer a dog. They're so crazy and cute. Go on, make them eat right over there. Dylan, they have to come and eat. Food done.
They're cute, eh? Mm-hmm.
Food done.
Darius, Allikye, you picking one up?
No.
Why?
I don't want to get rabies.
Rabies? There's no rabies in Trinidad.
Oh.
Oh, that food looking good enough for Ivy.
Long spaghetti like that.
Look at that little tiny runty one.
Yeah,
That's Darius.
That's the runt.
Fat one, this is fat one. He doesn't eat every Come. You need to eat. You're too skinny. You skinny when you buy. You're skinny.
That one you, Darius. He looked just like you. Skinny and runty.
That's lazy boy.
Skinny runt dog.
Leave him now. Leave him this small.
Oh, God. Allikye picking up the rabies. Allikye said he wouldn't pick one up because he thought it had rabies. Darius picking up his twin, the runty dog.
So guys, we're going to the pond and let's see how it So guys, there's supposed to be caiman in here.
Let's see if we can find one. I don't see any.
It's deep. Daddy growing it.
How deep is it?
No.
Go in the middle, Darius, and see how deep it is. Go see if you can swim to the bottom. Hey!
Hey!
What are you doing? Don't be throwing stick in there.
I was going to tell deep
Look, something just moved. You have fishing line? What kind of fish you got in there? Wabine. Oh, cascadoo. You got a grub.
So guys, Daddy just found a grub.
So now you're going to try to catch a fish, right? All right, let's go catch the fish.
Guys, we're gonna put it down.
Lee, don't kill it. Oh God.
All right, Ari.
Fungus.
Cast your line in
I
there.
want to wash my hand.
Too late for that.
Can you just cast this thing?
It has hole, it's so.
And then
And just
put it in the
close,
water.
and just throw it in. Don't let it touch the grass. Raise it up.
Okay, now put it in the water. There.
Right, and just hold it there until some you see a splash or something.
Once the bobber starts bouncing down and down, you just pull it back up.
So guys, fishing was a bust. The sardines came and eat our bait. Sadly.
And we only had 2 baits, eh? So let's go see this big dragon fruit flower. Look at the.
So guys, we just found dragon fruit. It's young, huh?
Yeah, young and not ripe yet, eh?
Guys, look how beautiful the flower is. There's so much ants. So guys, we found another dragon fruit flower with belly ants on it. It's so beautiful. I like dogs better than chickens, but it's still cute.
All right, guys. How was the farm?
Good.
What was fun about it?
The dogs.
The dogs, the pigs. Dogs. Pigs.
The dogs.
The dogs. So everybody liked the dogs.
They're cute.
Right, all right, very good, very good. So you're glad you came, right?
Yeah. I want to come back here tomorrow.
Oh, God. Ari, you want to come see the bull? Why?
It looks scary.